Good day to everyone. I'm Mom Jovi. This video talks about text area and its various attributes. Likewise, I will demonstrate the process of creating scrolling text box. So what is text area? The scrolling text box. Form control accepts free-form comments, questions, or descriptions. The text area element configures a scrolling text box. The text area tag denotes the beginning of the scrolling text box, while the closing text area tag denotes the end of the scrolling text box. Text contained between the tags will display in the scrolling box area. Here are the common scrolling text box attributes. The first one is name. Its value can be alphanumeric, no spaces, begins with a letter. For the purpose, it names the form elements so that it can be easily accessed by the client-side scripting languages or by server-side processing. The name should be unique. The ID attribute has the value alphanumeric, no spaces, begins with a letter. The purpose, it provides a unique identifier for the form element. Calls attribute, the value, numeric value. The purpose, this is required. It configures the width of character columns of the scrolling text box. If calls are submitted, the browser displays the scrolling text box with its own default width. Rows, the value, numeric value, the purpose. This attribute is required. It configures the height in rows of the scrolling text box. If rows are submitted, the browser displays the scrolling text box with its own default height. Next, the max length attribute. The value of the max length attribute is numeric value. The purpose, it configures the maximum length of data accepted by the text box. The disabled attribute has the value disabled. Its purpose is the form control is disabled. The read-only attribute has the value read-only. The purpose, the form control is for display, cannot be edited. The autofocus attribute has the value autofocus. The purpose, HTML5 attribute, browser places cursor in the form control and sets the focus. Next, the placeholder attribute has the value text or numeric characters. The purpose, HTML5 attribute, brief information intended to assist the user. Okay, the next attribute is required. Its value is required. The purpose, so HTML5 attribute, browser verifies entry of information before submitting the form. Okay, the next is the wrap attribute. It has a value hard or soft. The purpose, this is an HTML5 attribute. It configures line breaks within the information entered. Key attribute has the value keyboard character. So its value rather is keyboard character. The purpose, it configures a hotkey for the form control. The tab index. The tab index has the value numeric value. Then the purpose, it configures the tab order of the form control. Okay, let's go and create the text area here. I will be creating text area above the submit and reset button. So let's go text area. There you go. Look at this. When I click this one, the VS Code provides the following attributes because no, it provides us the name, the ID, the calls, and the rows. What I'm going to do for the name is to supply the name. Let's say comments. This is because we will let the user input or enter a comments. I'll put okay comments, and then here comments. All right. So as you can see, nothing is happening because this is I am encoding the comments, the name and the ID. However, if I am going to customize, let's try to customize the this one. So the column, so it increases the number of columns. Let's say 60. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, 60 and 60. So it is wider now. And then rows instead of 10, let's customize this into 15. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so let's add some, what do you call this one, placeholder. Encode your comments here. Let's say placeholder k is equal to the value is text, so we will write in your comments. So just like comments. So the text comments will appear here. Okay. So there you go. This is an example of a text area, and I use some of its various attributes. What you're going to do, class, is to explore more of its various attributes since I already included the attribute, the values, same as true with its description. If this video helps you, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.